Hey my love, we are making authentic Ghana fufu, and all we need for this recipe is our green plantain and cassava. I already have my cassava chopped or cut into pieces, which has been in the freezer for some time now. That's what I do. I just cut them and keep them. You can use a fresh one as well, because sometimes I do go for the fresh one. So cut your plantain into smaller pieces. This helps with the blade of your blender when you are blending it, so that at least it will be able to blend it and you will have a smooth paste or batter to work with. So just follow what I'm doing in the video. No pounding, we are just gonna blend and use a microwave to prepare this fufu. Hassle-free, stress-free. If today is your first time of watching my video, I'll kindly ask you to subscribe so that you would always be the first to receive or get a notification anytime I post my videos. And thank you for watching my videos. God bless you. So here I'm just blending my cassava and the plantain. Make sure you don't add too much water, just a little above what you have in there. Just look at the consistency. If you want your fufu to be very soft, then you would add a bit more. But if you don't want it to be too soft and you want to have a good consistency, then just like what I've done in the video, you can do it that way. So like you can see in here, I'm just going to pop this into the microwave, and after 10 minutes in the microwave, this is what I have. So I just stir everything together to ensure that we do not end up with a lumpy fufu. This was very hot, so make sure you have napkin or any protective gear that will protect you from burning your fingers. You can see how elastic the texture is. It's just like the pounded fufu. I'm not preparing it on the stove either, so this goes back into the microwave again, and this is what we have. It's looking so smooth and beautiful. And this will go in for the last time, and that's it. Our fufu is ready. Very stretchy, and that's the last round, and you can see very stretchy, just like the pounded fufu. Give it a try and let me know the outcome, whether you love it or you prefer the traditional way of preparing fufu. Thank you, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly do so for more videos. God bless you. So I served this fufu with panna soup, and like you can see, I really did enjoy it. You are welcome.